Ever noticed that little headphone icon under ChatGPT's response and wondered, can I save this voice as an MP3? Well, yes, you can. And the best part? You won't need any extra apps. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn ChatGPT's text-to-speech into an audio file, right from your phone. First, open your ChatGPT app and ask it anything. Like, what are the benefits of walking daily? Wait for the full response to load. Now, before you tap that voice icon, swipe down your control panel and start a screen recording. This will capture the full voice playback. Once the recording has started, tap the headphone icon below the response. Let ChatGPT read everything out loud. When it's done, stop the recording. The video will automatically be saved to your phone's gallery or files. Next, open your Files app and find that recording. Press and hold the file, then tap Rename. Change the file extension from .mp4 to .mp3. If you see a warning, just tap OK. And that's it. You've now saved ChatGPT's voice as a clean MP3 file, perfect for videos, voiceovers, or podcasts. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more quick tech tricks like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.